In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check crit chance in POE2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can check the exact amount of crit chance that you have on your character in Path of Exile 2. You will be able to do this even if you are using a controller. So in order to check this particular stat, open your skills. On your skills window, all that you have to do is use these arrows at the right side of a specific skill to open more details about it. So this should open up the details about the skill. If this doesn't work, then you can also click on a specific skill or press a button on your controller, usually X, to select that skill, and upon doing so, go over to advanced information. So to keep it simple, you must highlight the information about the skill, which can either be done by expanding a menu with an arrow icon or by selecting the skill and choosing advanced info. Upon doing this, one of the categories is going to be critical hits. So you will see the main hand critical hit chance displayed here, the estimated main hand critical chance hit from hit chance, and then main hand critical damage bonus. All of this information will update dynamically and you can check it at any point. It's as simple as opening up your skill tab, expanding the details about a particular skill that you have equipped, and once you highlight it, you will be able to see all of those details. Of course, you also have more information like damage, the amount of projectiles if it has those, accuracy, and all of them will be updated according to your gear, level, and various other things attributed to your character. The crit chance will always be displayed here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you check your critical hit chance and other stats in Path of Exile 2, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.